This is a 2010 military Humvee 1097 R1 that we're upgrading the headlights from halogen to LED. These are the same headlights that the military upgraded theirs to. And we're going to show you how to install them. It's super easy. It takes probably like 5 minutes.
All right, so to remove the headlight, there's going to be 3 screws, 2 up top, 1 at the bottom. We'll go ahead and remove those. And then that will reveal the headlight and headlight bucket. And then your Packard plugs. We got 17, 18, and 91. 91 is the ground. I'm not sure about 17 and 18, but there you go. All right, so we've got the Packard plug connection to the H4 connection, and then we just got to insert it into the headlight bucket. You see down here. All right, this is going to be the connection diagram. So you're just going to want to line up those plugs up to the plugs that are in the headlight bucket. All right, so we've got the truck light LEDs in here. I know a lot of people have questions about the harness and the space in the room in here. This is the black ring version of the headlight buckets. I'm not sure exactly what that means, but I've seen it referenced on multiple forums and questions. But the H4 harness does fit back in here, coiled up, perfect with the truck light headlights. All right, go ahead. 2 holes here. These 2 holes, no, like that. Go ahead.
Flathead.
Hold on. That's good.
And that's it.